friends here and draw spring buddies.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You got your marker or something to draw with?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. You ready to start?
Yes.
Because we're using markers to draw with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. But you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You could draw with a pencil, crayon, or even oil pastels. All right, let's start by drawing our first buddy. We're going to draw the flower, and we're going to draw a tulip. So let's draw the letter U, and we're going to draw it a little over here on the left side of our paper so that we also have room for our second buddy, the butterfly. And I'm going to draw the letter U tipped. So it's diagonal. I'm going to draw it like this. I'm going to draw it curving and see how it looks like it's going this way too. Whoa, I love it. Your flower is super big. I wish I drew mine bigger. Okay, let's draw the petals on top. We're going to draw an upside down V right in the middle. Yes, and then we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up like this, but we're going to connect it to the side too. Yes, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to draw the stem, but we want to draw it curving down into the ground. So I'm going to draw it curving like this into the ground. And this is going to make our tulip look like it's looking up at our second buddy, the butterfly.
Yeah.
And down here at the bottom, we can draw a line to connect them. And then let's also draw the leaves. Oh, squeaky marker. I'm going to draw the leaves coming out like this. Kind of looks like our tulip is so excited it's raising its hands or arms. It's happy to see its buddy. And then we're going to draw another one sticking up on this side. Yeah, all right. Except we need to draw our funny face for our flower. Let's first draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a straight line like this, but I'm going to draw it crazy. I'm going to draw a big open mouth because they're really happy to see each other. And you could, yeah, there you go. And then let's draw teeth on the top and also the bottom. And then we could also draw a tongue inside. Oh, I like that you drew the teeth going the other way too. And then I'm going to color in the back of the mouth. That part we sped up. So remember, if you need extra time, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah. All right, let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and the same size circle on the right. And then I'm going to draw a little circle in the top left for the highlight. I love doing this to our eyes because it makes them look shiny and also friendly. All right, now we're ready to draw our second buddy, the butterfly. And first, let's draw a circle. I'm going to draw it really big. This is the body and head for a butterfly. We're going to draw a cartoon butterfly. And then let's also draw the mouth. I'm going to draw it really happy. And I'm kind of tipping it so it looks like the butterfly is looking down at the flower. And then we can draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle, another circle, and then color in these, except leave a little circle white inside. It kind of looks like the sun. We need to turn it into a butterfly.
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw little legs. I'm going to draw 2 little legs sticking out of the bottom. And then let's draw the wings. We're going to draw one big wing for the top, and then we're going to draw a small wing down here at the bottom. Let's repeat that same thing, but on the other side. Big wing and a small wing. And then, oh, we also need antenna. Let's draw a little curve coming out to the left and also to the right. Oh, I like that too. You did a little circle at the end. And we did it. We finished drawing our cute little buddies, our spring buddies, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color.
Yes, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
We finished drawing and coloring our cute little buddies, and I especially love yours all colored in.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Oh, thanks, and I hope our friends will color their drawings. You can pause the video to match your same coloring, but I also like that we changed our colors.
Yeah.
Our art friends could change the colors too. They don't have to match ours. They could even add more things to their drawing. We added hearts, but you could add whatever you want. like a full background.
Yeah.
Maybe a sun and
more butterflies.
oh, more buddies would be better. To color with, we used our really cool Art for Kids Hub markers, but remember, you don't have to use them. You can use whatever you have, like crayons, colored pencils, or even oil pastels.
We hope you have fun drawing spring buddies.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.
Bye.